The Apple M1, one of the most legendary chip from Apple which blew away our minds. Its performance, its graphical performance and overall performance, it's just incredible. The way this chip is built is also pretty unique, like no other chip is built the way Apple M1 is built. The base model, that's the MacBook Air, it was able to crush all the Intel based MacBooks like MacBook Pro, MacBook Air from the previous generation in terms of its mind-blowing performance. So today we have got a news that Apple is already building the Apple M2 chip and Apple M2 based MacBooks. Yes, it's gonna come in early 2021. This is a great news. I'm like so much excited to see the all new M2 chip. Like what M1 did, M2 is the successor to M1. This time around, I hope Apple fixes some of the minor issues that came with M2 like upgradability, also eGPU and more than 2 monitor support. If Apple manages to bring all of these, it's just gonna be incredible. Although there is no any official confirmation yet, but there are a few reports surfacing online. One report, that is the latest, comes from China, which claims that Apple will be launching the M2 chipset, which will be manufactured using 5nm process. Yes, no 4nm or below that. Still, Apple is gonna stick with 5nm, but it's gonna be improved further. So the report also claims that this particular chipset will come with a new MacBook Pro 13-inch and MacBook Pro 16-inch. So additionally, this new chipset is also tipped to be used on 2 other newly designed MacBook Pro models. Yes, there are a few other MacBook Pro models coming next year. You will not only have the baseline MacBook Air, MacBook Pro 13, etc. but there will be 2 new models added to this lineup. That's gonna be pretty good. And these MacBooks will be equipped with mini LED displays. As of now, there is no any prototypes, so it's gonna be really interesting to see what kind of mini displays will be offered with the new MacBook series. Along with these MacBooks, the company is also planning to launch new iMac devices with much more powerful Apple Silicon processor, which may be the M2 processor, not sure, or Apple may go with a little bit high powered ones with the all new iMac. So what do you think about the all new Apple M2 chip, which is going to come really soon? So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So this was a quick little video sharing you guys all about the all new M2 chip that's gonna be coming pretty soon. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also do follow me on Instagram, link is in the description or it's appearing somewhere on the display. This is all about technology 24/7. Signing off for the moment. You guys have a great day. Peace.